guys. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. What? Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. So this video we're gonna be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. I haven't opened this yet, so it's gonna be a proper first impressions review video. If you follow my channel, you probably know my obsession with Makeup Revolution in general because it's cruelty-free brand, vegan friendly, super affordable. The formula is amazing, it's pigmented, and I could just talk and talk about it, but I'm not gonna do it in this video. I've been obsessed with this Conceal and Fix line. So it all started from the Conceal and Define concealers. I've been obsessed with these. I've been using this religiously. Every video you see or every literally my post on Instagram, I definitely wear this. And after this, I think they released this Conceal and Define foundation, which is basically the same formula as the concealer, and it works perfectly for my oily skin. I've been loving this as well, use it a lot. And then recently they released this Conceal and Fix setting powder. The one I have is in a translucent. I've been loving this one as well. Perfect for baking, no flashbacks or anything. And then I just noticed that they released this Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. So what they say about it, that is a smooth and rich formula to ensure a fully matte complexion and shine-free base for foundation, which is perfect if you have as oily skin as I do and you have some, acne going on or little breakouts or something. This should work as a dream, at least from what they state on the packaging. So I think without any further ado, let's try this on. I'm gonna combine all these products today. Let's open this up and see what we got. Alright. Oh, it's actually glass packaging, not the plastic. Oh, I love this. I forgot to mention that it has salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is recommended if you are prone to breakouts or you have oily skin or acne or anything like this, because it comes and cleans your skin. So far impressed by all this statement on the packaging and the packaging itself. Let's check out what we have. Oh, okay. I thought it's gonna be thicker. It feels very light. I thought it's gonna be more like a gel, like a thick primer, but it feels very, very light. It's not like other primers that I try for the oily skin, but mattifying, you're usually kind of heavier and thicker, but this it does feel a bit like water, but it feels amazing on the hand. Let's try on the face. I'm excited now. Hopefully it's gonna be good as well. I have breakouts going on in here, redness and all, and my skin, when it gets oily, it goes on the nose and on the side in here and on the chin. That's my oiliest part. I'm gonna apply the primer everywhere, as I feel like it makes my foundation sit on the skin better and wear longer as well, and it's easier to blend the foundation after. Wow, you guys, my skin feels so smooth. If only you can feel this through the camera. It feels so nice, so nice. Because I have these little breakouts in here, so without anything, if I would touch, I could feel those, obviously. But now, my skin feels just super smooth. Wow. Let's go and apply this Conceal and Define foundation. By the way, I'm testing out today a new beauty blender makeup sponge. Oh, my skin is definitely smooth. So I started from this side of my face because I have these breakouts in here and it's kind of harder to apply the foundation over it because of those breakouts, because it's up, the skin surface is not equal. Wow. Oh wow, you guys, I surely wasn't expecting that. My goodness. Okay, my makeup routine will be way much faster from now on. Makeup Revolution, I'm sold. It just makes all makeup application so much faster, especially if you have problematic skin like I do. Let's apply the Conceal and Define concealer in C1. Alright, so we're nearly done. Let's just set this all up with Revolution Translucent Setting Powder. This powder, as I said, has no flashback, it doesn't crease, it stays all day amazing on the skin. Test it out, I did a video, I'm gonna link it all in the eye in the corner and in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So far, makeup application was super smooth. I mean, you've seen it. Because of this breakouts that I have in here, usually it takes me way much longer and more effort to, you know, camouflage it and to make the surface look equal. But because of this primer, this was fast. I mean, few dabs, you've seen that yourself, guys. Yeah, I can't feel it in any way so far. Okay, let's go in with this setting powder. I like to set my eyebrows as well, so it stays in place a little. So applying slightly bit more on the under eye area because I'm gonna be applying some shadow and all, like eyeshadow. So I don't want any fallout. Alright, so powder is on. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna finish off my makeup, get on with my day, and see how this all gonna wear throughout the day, all this combination and this primer. Yes, I'm gonna wear it all day for like, I don't know, 8 hours or so, because it's morning now when I started filming this video. I've got quite a few things to do, so I'm gonna be outside and inside, and today weather is very miserable. It's like raining and all, so it's gonna be a water test as well probably, and then get back to you with the results. And I'm back, guys. So I finished off my makeup. As you can see, I wore it all day, so if anything looks different, it's just because it's different time of the day. So when I started filming this video, it was 9 o'clock in the morning, and now is just after 6. So how many hours? 9 something hours passed. Here's how my makeup looks after 9-hour wear. I am impressed, if I'll be honest, cause I haven't done, by the way, I haven't done any touch-ups whatsoever. I haven't blocked my face from oil access or put extra powder, nothing. I did my makeup in the morning and that's it. I haven't touched up. Nothing, like nothing at all, believe it or not. And I'm looking in the mirror. Maybe it looks a little bit oily in this area where I get oily the most. For me, is the worst in here, like literally this is where I get oily the most, this part. So maybe it looks a little bit oily in here, but then my forehead, my nose, my chin, after 9-hour wear, it's amazing. I think. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, because I am, yeah, wow. You guys, definitely thumbs up from me for this Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer, because first of all, when I tried it this morning, you guys seen how it made my skin, the surface of the skin, and made it smooth, so it was easier to apply the foundation on the top and to cover the blemishes I have and, you know, the little breakouts. So that was easier and way much faster. Like, it did speed up my foundation and, you know, overall base application in the morning especially, which is, I think, important. And the combination of this Conceal and Fix or Define and Fix products definitely works. I couldn't recommend this more. Super affordable, by the way. It's not sponsored if you're thinking, because I'm like preaching now about it, but I'm just so impressed how good it is. Although Makeup Revolution do send me the products from time to time to, you know, check and review, but I purchased this with my own money in a local Superdrug, and I'm impressed how good it is. I think this is gonna be my new holy grail makeup primer from now on, although I've been obsessed with quite a few different ones in the past, but this is just something, you guys. I'm gonna finish this video on this note. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this review video and you found this helpful. So please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you own maybe this already and it works for you just as good as it worked for me, or what's your favorite primer actually, which one you would recommend, and what you would like to see next on my channel. And I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching.